whenever I visit Joan Karen, for a week after I left, I forget which dog would always come up to the bedroom where I was at and stay there for about an hour to see when I come in, you know?
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
oh, Joey's dogs.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Zoe and
Oh, yeah. See,
Bart, Barkley, and
oh, yeah.
Lacey, or
Yeah.
whichever ones. Well, they won't really be looking at your.
I'm gonna have to start throwing those CDs. I got a bunch in here, in these cabinets too.
Yeah, the problem is reel to reel.
I don't think any.
Yeah.
Some haven't been played in 20 years. But, these will have to go back to AT&T or whoever owns them.
Yeah.
Yeah, these, whatever you call
Yeah,
them.
the modems
Yeah,
or.
modem, I guess that's what.
Oh, the Reader's Digest.
Oh, yeah, there's a bunch. You know, I asked, they have a library over where I'm going. Maybe give them that'll really fill their place up.